Get ready with me to go do my nails. Today is one of those days where I don't really have the energy for makeup or stuff. So I'm just going to go with skincare. Yes, that's the best makeup. So I'll usually use an eyelash, but today is just not that day for me. So I'm just going to use the mascara on my eye, and it still gets that effect. So I used the Velvet Shadow by Sarah, which is like a dupe for Killian Love Don't Be Shy and Perfume de Marly Oriana. It's giving the no makeup look. thing happened while I was there. Like a couple, a woman and her partner came in, and the partner was like, okay, how much does it take to make your nails? And the partner was like, or the woman was like, I don't know, about 40 pounds. The man was like, are you sure you really need to make your nails? It was so funny. But yeah, my nails are done and I like it. And because the girl must eat, I went to Subway, had a sandwich, and yeah, I headed home. Bye. Do well to check out my next video. Thank you.